Thinking about moving to the United States, but confused about which visa you actually need? Today we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in U.S. immigration: the difference between immigrant visas and non-immigrant visas. Many people planning to move to the United States hear these terms often, but do not clearly understand what they mean. Non-immigrant visas allow foreign nationals to enter the United States temporarily for a specific purpose. These visas are issued for limited periods and usually require the applicant to return to their home country after completing their purpose. Common examples include the B-1 and B-2 visitor visas for tourism and business travel, the F-1 visa for international students studying in U.S. universities, and the H-1B visa that allows U.S. companies to hire foreign professionals in specialty occupations like technology, healthcare, and engineering. Other examples include the L-1 visa for intracompany transfers and the O-1 visa for individuals with extraordinary ability. Immigrant visas are different because they are designed for people who want to permanently live in the United States. Once approved and admitted into the country, the person becomes a lawful permanent resident, commonly known as a green card holder. Immigrant visas are usually obtained through employment-based categories like EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3, or through family sponsorship by U.S. citizens or permanent residents. Understanding the difference between temporary visas and permanent immigration pathways helps applicants choose the correct visa and plan their U.S. immigration journey more effectively.